Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you want to smell fresh, clean, and amazing all day long, then this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing the best perfume hacks that actually work. No myths, no fluff, just real tips to make your scent last from morning to night. So let's jump right in. Hack number 1, start with fresh skin. The first hack is simple but super powerful. Always apply your perfume right after a shower. Your pores are open, your skin is hydrated, and that helps the fragrance lock in better. Dry skin makes perfume evaporate faster, so your scent fades quickly. Spraying after your shower gives your perfume the perfect base to stay on longer. Hack number 2, moisturize. But don't skip this step. A hydrated base is the secret to long-lasting fragrance. But here's the hack many people don't know. Use an unscented lotion or a lotion that matches your perfume's notes. Oily, moisturized skin holds fragrance much better than dry skin. If you want maximum longevity, apply Vaseline or a balm on your pulse points before spraying. It creates a sticky layer that grips the perfume and boosts the staying power. Hack number 3, know your pulse points. Where you spray matters more than how much you spray. Hit the warm spots: your wrists, inner elbows, neck, chest, behind your ears, and behind your knees. These areas naturally warm up throughout the day, releasing your fragrance in waves. But remember, don't rub your wrists together. That crushes the top notes and makes your perfume fade faster. Hack number 4, layer your scents with a unique signature smell. Try layering. Use a scented body wash, a matching lotion, and then your perfume on top. This creates depth and makes your scent last 10 longer. You can also combine fragrances like a vanilla base with a floral or musky perfume on top. Layering adds richness and makes your scent stand out from everyone else. Hack number 5, spray on clothes. The right way perfume lasts even longer on fabric than on skin, but don't spray directly on delicate materials. Keep some distance and spray a light mist over your clothes, scarves, or even your hairbrush before brushing through your hair. Clothes hold scent for hours, sometimes days. Just avoid silk, it can stain easily. Hack number 6, don't overdo it. More perfume doesn't mean stronger perfume. It actually has the opposite effect. Your nose gets used to it faster, and you stop noticing it. Stick to 5 to 7 sprays max. Trust me, people around you will still smell it. Hack number 7, store your perfume properly. Heat and sunlight destroy perfume. Keep your bottles in a cool, dark place, not your bathroom. Proper storage keeps your fragrance stronger and helps it last longer on your skin. And that's it. These are the perfume hacks you need to try if you want to smell fresh all day long. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fragrance and beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and stay smelling amazing.